Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day with Google Alerts. This is a really easy method to start making some money online, and the best thing is that you don't need a website, you don't need a brand, you don't really need anything to start with this method, and you can do it as a complete beginner. But before we talk about that, if you like videos about making money online, online business and entrepreneurship, subscribe to this channel and tick the notification bell to get notified whenever I release a new video. Also, if you want a free course that teaches you step by step how I make money online, there is a link down in the description. Now let's get into the video. So this video combines both affiliate marketing and Google Alerts and blogging. And the first step of this method is to find a good affiliate program. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's to sell other people's product and then you get a commission for that, maybe 50%, 70%, and somewhat up to 90% you can get on some of these products. But ClickBank is one of the most popular platforms where they have all these products that you can promote to other people, and we can go into the affiliate marketplace to check what they have here. So as you can see in the categories here, they have a lot of different categories, and even if you open them, you can see even more. But the most prominent ones: self-help, health and fitness, and e-business and e-marketing. That's usually where you'll find the best affiliate products to promote to anyone. And what we're going to go into is the health and fitness and see if we can find something right here that piques our interest that we can recommend to other people. So diets and weight loss is a huge market, and it's something that we're going to go into today and try and make some money. So when you're using ClickBank, it's always a good idea to sort by gravity, because that is an indicator of how well this course converts and sells. And one other thing we have to look at when we do affiliate marketing is the average sale and also the average rebill total. And what this means, this average rebill total, is that they will get rebilled $6.58 per month. And you can see that some of these has a higher average rebill. That's probably because they have like a subscription service where they'll get a new book every month or something like that. There are a lot of things that you can sell over a monthly basis, but we're gonna go a little bit down and see if we can find one product that I found earlier today. You can also go up here and search for whatever product that you want to do, because the low carb is so in trend right now. I'm going to search for low carb and see what comes up. And right here we can see that we have a good offer. It's in the cooking, food and wine, and it has 4 offers: fat burning kitchen, 101 anti-aging foods, and truth abouts, and all that. You can see the average sale is $14. So if anyone buys, the initial sale right here is $11.84, and the rebill, so a monthly subscription, that's probably a service where they will give out free health and fitness benefits and books and all sort of things. But we can go into the offer right here if we just click here, and we can see if this is a good offer. Discover how the health foods you're eating every day are making your fat cells sick, making it impossible to lose weight while also damaging your joints, disrupting your hormones, rapidly aging your skin, and even leading to diabetes. So pretty hard first paragraph or headline right here, but this is the offer that I'm going to go with. Based upon that it has a 143, you should in general have about between 30 to 60 in gravity. That means that it sells well and it converts well, and a gravity of 140 is plenty enough to get some sales. Also, I'm very interested in getting the total rebill, because that means I can get monthly recurring income every single month if I make a sale and they decide to upgrade to the monthly recurring payment program that they have inside of this right here. So we can go down and take a look and see if it looks good. Usually you should always recommend products that you've tried yourself, but in this method it really doesn't matter, because the person that you're going to delay this affiliate link to are not going to know you. They don't have a personal connection to you. You're only thinking about clicks and converting those clicks into sales. So how do we promote this product? You might be asking. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now. So what you go into is to go to Google and we type the dashes, I don't really know, the apostrophes or something like that. And then we go into weight loss plus blog. So there we're gonna find weight loss blogs. So right here we can find best weight loss blogs of 2017. And I've already gone through all of these and I found, let's see here, Yum Yuck was the website that I found best to use this particular affiliate product because she had an article about, let's see here, healthy low carb breakfast ideas. So we can go in here and we can take a look. I hope you're hungry. Here are a few of my favorite low carb breakfast options that I enjoy on the days that I'm not doing intermittent fasting. Sure, I still enjoy my traditional big breakfasts, but I try to limit those high carb breakfasts to special occasions only. That sounds fantastic, and you can see a video right here. But what we're really interested in is to see if this has any comments. Because if it has some comments, that's perfect, and that means that a lot of people are interacting with this blog and reading her blog on maybe a daily basis. You can see November 21st and November 22nd right here, January 1st, January, a lot of weight loss in January, as it is always with this New Year's resolution. But here you can see that people are looking for help. They're looking to find recipes on weight loss and stuff like that. So I actually wrote a little comment that we can use to sell this affiliate program. So I found her name all the way up here, and I think it's a little bit more personal if you use their name. To get a little bit personal, we're not going to spam this link. That's very important to remember. So hey, I'm Josie. So I added that in my comment. If we go right here, oh my god, Josie, these look so good. I'm dying to try the eggs on the go. So I'm referring to what he's saying in the article. If you have an affiliate offer, always try to engage in the conversation, engage in whatever their content is about, and find something maybe constructive to say about the article, or maybe something you really liked about the article to start off in a really friendly tone. We're not going to sell really hard right here. We're just trying to get the reader's attention and make them click the link, because after they click the link, it's the job of the sales page to convert them into sales. We only need the clicks. We don't really need to pre-sell them on anything. We only need that clicks. However, I read some of the healthy foods you're eating every day are making your fat cells sick and making it impossible to lose weight. What do you think about this? And then you can post your link. And you get your link if you're going into here, you click promote. And you have to make an account before you can do this. It's really simple. Just go up in here and make an account. If you cannot make a ClickBank account, I know that some of these affiliate networks are cutting down on low tier 2 countries or 3 countries because they're using this link to spam all over the web and making it a really bad place. And really, ClickBank doesn't want anyone to spam all these links all over town. So that's why. But you click this promote button, and my nickname is Andy Emerso. So we can create that link, and here we have our link, but this looks a little bit sketchy. Would you ever click this link? I don't think I would click that link. So we're going to copy this. We're going to go into bit.ly, and then we can shorten our link right here. There we go. A little nice little link right there. And then we can paste it into our, let's see if we can find it. Post it right into the comment right here. Link, bada bim, bada boom. There's the link, and now the comment is complete. And once again, you're trying not to be spammy. You're trying to leave a positive impact on this comment section and not be really salesy. If you're spamming this link, you're doing it wrong. You need to help people out, but you also need to make them click. So now you might be asking, what does this have to do with Google Alerts, Andy? What's up? Well, Google Alerts has this really nice feature where you can actually create an alert if a page on Google is indexed by a specific keyword. So if we go here and we can write Kim Kardashian, you'll get every single alert when she's mentioned in news. You get every single alert when she's mentioned anywhere on the internet, and your alerts will probably just be, oh my god, Kim Kardashian is showing off her ass again. But we don't want to do that. We want to go in and write weight loss. And you can create a lot of alerts like this. How to lose weight. So you get an alert if there's anything about how to lose weight. Create alert. Even do low carb, because that's so trendy right now. And when anyone creates a page about low carb, weight loss, how to lose weight, you'll get notified by your email. And then you can look at the article and see, oh, is this a nice post? Can I post my comment right here? Make a specialized comment for that comment section and get them to buy the affiliate link. And Google Alerts is very crucial to this method because it will show you completely new blog posts that you can post your comment in. And usually whenever a blog post goes up, a lot of viewers will go onto that blog post and look in the comments, interact in the comments, and that's your chance to get to the top of the comments and get your comment more views and get more clicks in that way. So I hope you all get this method. It's really simple. Google Alerts, affiliate marketing, and blogging and commenting on blogs. It's what it's all about. And I want to thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe for more videos about how to make money online, working from home, and stuff like that. Also, don't forget to get your free course down in the description. I made like 16 videos just for you that you can enjoy and watch, and it's high quality. That goes to every single step I've taken to start making passive income online, because this is not really passive. This is a lot of work and you have to go and post a lot of comments and stuff like that. But creating passive income is what it's all about. So I really recommend that you check out the product. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.